So, very good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, shall we start? Shall we start? Good morning. Who's going to present? There's no one to present.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yeah, please.
सर मैं प्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ
Yes, yes. Why not?
सर बट आई मीन मेरे लिस्ट में नाम नहीं था आई मीन लेट सबमिशन
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. मेरे पास यहाँ पे दिखता है ना. लेट आया भी तो सबमिशन नजर आएगा मुझे. Don't bother for the list. If you're ready with your presentation, do it.
थैंक यू सर
Okay.
क्विज में सर स्क्रीन अवेलेबल है?
हाँ जी, दिखाई दे रहा है।
My introduction. My name is Khushbu Khushal Uike. My topic is erosion. सर स्टार्ट कर.
हाँ, आप वेट मत करिए, शुरू करिए।
ओके सर. Air pollution. Is air pollution. Air pollution is pollution of air which can affect the health, survival of or activities of many organisms, include humans. There are the number of pollution like smokes and radiation, etc. अपनी हेल्थ में कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है? There are the many health risks with smoke as well as its radiation pollutants. First, asthma. Second, cancer.
हेलो बेटा खुशबू, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। बोलिए अभी।
सर
रुक रही है, आपके साथ कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम है आपके यहाँ। आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। बेटा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है बट वी कैन नॉट हियर यू। आप एक बार अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए।
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can start with your presentation.
Sir, is the screen visible?
Yes, visible, very well visible. You can start it now.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Rishali Tumane from BCZ Group, and my topic name is Bioaccumulation and Biomagnification. First of all, I would like to give some brief descriptions on bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Bioaccumulation, it is increase in concentration or gradual buildup of a pollutant in an organism. For example, pesticides, DDT, methyl mercury, heavy metals, PCBs, or other organic chemicals. Next, this image, it tells us about how the bioaccumulation occurs or takes place in living organism. Some few more points on bioaccumulation that are: organism at any trophic level may be capable of bioaccumulation. The affected organism has a higher concentration of the substance than the concentration in the organism's surrounding environment. It is the net result of the interaction of uptake, storage, and elimination of chemical. The substance enters the organism through respiration, food intake, epidermal contact with substances, and other means. The action which is taken by bioaccumulation is shown in this figure, in this image. Then kinds of bioaccumulation that are organismal bioaccumulation, trophic transfer, soil bioaccumulation. The factors on which it depends that are uptake of substance, storage of substance, elimination of substance, hydrophobicity, concentration of pollutant in water, age, sex, and type of organism. Then the rate of accumulation, that is, it is measured in parts per million. This refers to one particle of given substance mixed with 999,999 other particles. Example, oyster can concentrate DDT from 0.001 ppm in seawater to 500 ppm in their bodies. Then I would like to start with biomagnification, that is the tendency of pollutants to concentrate as they move from one organism to the next. It is called biomagnification. It is the process in which pollutants not only accumulate but also become more concentrated at each trophic level. The conservative pollutants are not metabolized, and therefore when an organism containing a pollutant is eaten, they are simply passed on to predator and accumulate in its tissue. Next, the very important topic, that is DDT. DDT, it is a dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, a toxic POP that was used as a pesticide to control disease-carrying mosquitoes. The effects are low toxicity to humans but high toxicity to insects. It does bioaccumulate and biomagnifies. Damage the organism, health and decline in wildlife population, potentially carcinogenic, cause type 2 diabetes and pancreatic cancer. Methyl mercury and mercury. That is, it in the environment, particularly lakes, waterways, and wetlands, mercury can be converted to a highly toxic organic compound called methyl mercury through biogeochemical interaction. It can cross the blood-brain and placental barriers, and concentration in fish may also be affected to humans. Almost all mercury compounds are toxic and can be dangerous at very low level in both aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem. Last, I would like to share some few points on how to stop bioaccumulation and biomagnification. That is, do not put harmful substances, example used motor oil, into the water system or storm drains. Contact a recycling center for methods of safe disposal. Next, avoid toxic chemical pesticides. Eat certified organic foods when possible. Always wash fruits and vegetables before consuming. Avoid fishing or spending time in contaminated areas. Avoid plastics. Use cleaning products that are gentle on the environment. Choose fish wisely, as many contain unsafe levels of toxins. Last, thank you everyone for cooperating with me. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Rushali. You are Rushali, right? Rushali Tumane.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. So, can you tell me in brief, like as a definition, what is bioaccumulation and biomagnification? You have already presented it, but I could not get myself clear by these terms. Can you? Rushali?
Sir, bioaccumulation, it is a increase in the concentration of pollutant in the organism.
Mhm.
And biomagnification, it is refers to food chain, concentration of pollutant in food chain.
Hmm.
And
जैसे मैंने उस
it's
दिन
that,
कहा था आप लोगों को, okay,
हाँ,
okay, that's what I wanted you all to understand. जैसे मैंने कहा था एक pollutant है, जैसे आपने बहुत सारे pollutants के नाम दिए हैं. If a smaller fish if we go in a pond ecosystem, if the small fish consumes the water and that particular pollutant is deposited in their body, that is bioaccumulation, right? But when a bigger fish eats these small fishes, those who have already bioaccumulated some pollutant, and the bigger fish will have now accumulation, not accumulation only, but it will be a magnification of the accumulated pollutant. This is what biomagnification is. See, suppose a fish consumes only 2 milligrams of that pollutant. Okay, like that, if all the small fishes which have been infected, which have been in that polluted water, and the pollutant has been taken in and accumulated, if it is 2 grams per body, then if a bigger fish which eats these fishes, suppose it eats 10 fishes at a time. So what happens? 2 grams, 2 milligrams, 2 milligrams into 10. That is 20 milligrams. Like the bigger fish will have 20 milligrams of that particular pollutant deposited at one stroke. This is magnification, biomagnification. Okay. Anyways, thank you, Shali. Now we can go to the next presentation.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. My presentation stopped. Network
कोई
issue,
problem
sir.
नहीं है. You can come up with your presentation now. No problem. Now it seems your voice is also clear. Let's see how it goes.
सर मैं पेज स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ डबल?
हाँ, शुरू करिए.
थैंक यू सर. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Khushbu Kushal Uike. My topic is air pollution. What is the air pollution? Air pollution is pollution of the air which can affect the health survival of the activities of many organisms, include humans. Types of air pollution. There are the number of air pollution like smokes and radiation. Health problems. There are the many health risks with smoke as well as radiation pollutants. First, asthma, heart disease. Third, branches. Fourth, skin cancer. Fifth, badness. Sixth, immunity system of serpents. Damage damages on to damage done to earth. Earth pollution can damage tree, crop, lakes, and animals. because of pollinates the protective ozone layer screens by the second effect. Respiratory and heart problems, global warming, acid rain effect and wildlife depletion of ozone layer. Composition given of the lotus of air pollutants like spoilers contain a part of extra. Solution in inverter efficiency power generation, improve the domestic industry and municipal waste management, make greener and more compact cities with energy efficient buildings, reduce agricultural waste, increasation forest fires and certain agroforestry activities. Provide the universal access to clean, affordable foods and technologies for the cooking, heating and lighting. थैंक यू सर मैं प्रेजेंटेशन एक्सपेक्ट करने के लिए आने में लेट प्रेजेंटेशन करी उसके लिए मैं सॉरी एंड मैं नेटर इशू थैंक यू फॉर
Anyways, thank you, Kushbu. I would like to ask you why you have made a single slide.
ओके
You should have made a continuous, if you have shown 6 or 7 slides, you should have made a presentation with 6 to 7 slides at one presentation. You have saved every slide with a different name and it's been shown. Every time you have to open it, close it, again the next slide will be open, right?
यस सर
तो ऐसा क्यों किया?
सर तो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है आई मीन मैंने आज तक कभी प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं की है और उस वजह से
ओके तो जब आपने जब फर्स्ट स्लाइड बनाई थी ना
हाँ सर
उसके उस जब फर्स्ट स्लाइड बनाई तो उसमें फिर ऐड स्लाइड आता है नेक्स्ट स्लाइड बनाने के लिए सब कंटिन्यूअस एक साथ पूरे 7 या 8 स्लाइड जितने भी आप बनाए वो पूरे स्लाइड्स एक साथ बना सकते हैं एक के नीचे फिर
सर
उसको
सर मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन अथवा लूथी तरफ से मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन ली कि स्लाइड कैसे बनाना है और प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे करना है तो सर उन्होंने मुझे समझा के बताया और मैं उस टाइप की प्रेजेंटेशन और एक्सपेक्ट करने की कोशिश की और मैं थोड़ा बहुत कर पाई
कोई बात नहीं इट्स अ गुड अटेम्प्ट नॉट एट ऑल अ बैड थिंग बट योर प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड्स वर गुड ये जब पहला प्रेजेंटेशन पहली स्लाइड जब बनाए थे उसी में एक ऑप्शन आता है ऐड स्लाइड दूसरा स्लाइड ऐड हो जाएगा उसमें फिर ऐड स्लाइड एक और जब बन जाएगा ऐसा पूरे स्लाइड्स एक साथ ही बना लेने का एक ही फाइल में उसको एक ही नाम से सेव करने का ठीक है अभी आपने कैसा कि हर एक स्लाइड को अलग अलग नाम से सेव किया स्लाइड 1 स्लाइड 2 जो भी राइट ऐसा अलग अलग करने की जरूरत नहीं एक साथ एक ही प्रेजेंटेशन में पूरी स्लाइड्स आ जाती है ठीक है एनीवेज अटेम्प्ट अच्छा था आपने फर्स्ट टाइम किया तो फिर भी अच्छा किया थैंक यू वेरी मच ठीक है स्टॉप स्क्रीनिंग कर दीजिए हाँ
थैंक यू सर मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन करने के लिए
okay good now who's the next
Sir, can I present the next?
anyone कोई एक जन बोलो हाँ बोलिए आप केतकी नो राखी
Sir, it's me, Snehal Mishra. Can I present, sir?
okay no problem so yeah you start with your presentation Rakhi you are in the next you will in the row next to present okay Snehal begin Snehal, any problem?
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Shall I present?
Yeah, Raki, you start. Snehal is having some problem in sharing the screen.
Okay, sir.
Raki, any problem?
सर शेयर नहीं हो रही स्क्रीन.
अभी ठीक है. और कितने लोग हैं?
Sir,
हम्म.
sir, can I present?
अच्छा, लेकिन देखो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेक देता हूँ, मैं एक नया लिंक जनरेट करता हूँ, वो आप लोगों को देता हूँ अभी, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
शेयरिंग की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. I'll create a new 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेक ले लो अभी. एक 5 मिनट्स के बाद मैं एक नया लिंक देता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? अभी इट्स
Okay,
1 o'clock, 1:05 हो रहा है, 1:15 को शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है?